Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya Net Foodish Ordar mapi Nginwan ramangi hakerdob yeng jongpi
Menteri Sorkar wakmi ikutran jengok kai perthai upa polling do belongru unong aiktin jengok Sorkar jela hak artrik unong pra arajar phosau ulia thu baga jingwan tot kinong jengok kai perthai Shakri jela Meghalaya tanghunus 6 arajar phosau kala kinjo palat khasan lakngon hak jing kram ikilat pathai kubor di melawai ke jingalang kinhun menteri wa pol ya thu banakish photli ki Jaka biginong jengok kai ki jusmat bhaban leng kanong ba shillong ru ga dikawei ni ki Jaka biginong jengok kai perthai ki jusmat bhaban shangkai Hakabia day bat kani ulo yathu baka Sorkar kala perkhat sani bha hadi makalawan ke jing terwa ban penbiang ikalai kawan jingong jungok kai perthai daga basna Jaka Jaka Hiar ki helikopter ki ban kit ikirong jungok kai perthai nakat lingsun Guwahati shakat lingsun Shillong nang ta shu yam Sorkar dauki bat hanu Shillong.
As you're aware, the Sky Scanner, which is a renowned brand, has done a survey and found out that Shillong is the most preferred destination by Indian tourists in 2025. So that itself is a major growth story for Meghalaya. I mean, in the past many years, we have not been able to get that kind of a recognition. And this time around, with us having successfully been able to sell brand Meghalaya as the ultimate tourism destination, you will see that even under that SASKI, Meghalaya has got the lion's share. 199 crores for 2 projects is not a matter of joke. This year we've already crossed 15 lakhs. Once, see, out of 10 preferred destinations, Shillong has reached number 1, meaning that by 2025, the increase of footfalls would be not less than 60%. Talking in terms of the next fiscal year, we are seeing that increase should not be less than 60%, which is why we need to come up with more accommodation units, hotels, resorts and facilities. So that is what is happening right now.
Together in tourism department and the PWD department so that the tourists will make them easy in moving to those tourist spots.
One is where the road connectivity is still in a bad condition. We would improve those. But 2, we are concentrating more on the tourism circuits. Circuits which now will be, there is already a proposal to also connect these circuits by air. For instance, there is a proposal, we are in the initial stage, where we would connect Meghalaya with helicopter services exclusively for movement of tourists. We will start with Guwahati to Shillong, meaning Umroi Airport, then Yam, then Sorkar, Dauki, New Shillong. These will form part of that tourism circuit. But the other areas, for instance, Mausandra, where we are developing the Rain Museum, that will need more investment in the road network.